So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Shreyas here. So today I received two of my packages from Amazon. So this one is the SingShaw Megamix. So this is the Starlight Cube. It has 12 faces. This unboxing and review we'll be doing in the next video. And this is a GorillaPod. This is just like a tripod which is flexible. So before we get into this unboxing and review, if you're new to this channel, please do subscribe and let's get into unboxing. So guys, the first thing I have to tell you about this is its packaging. The packaging, I didn't like it. It just has one tape which holds everything. There is nothing here, even here. So just this one tape. So I just got a bad impression just by looking at this. So okay, anyways, let's unbox it. I don't have a scissor. Pen will do it. Okay. So guys, this GorillaPod came with its just a cover wrapped around it. I expected it to have a box at least, its own box. It doesn't have its own box. Okay, it has a phone mount. So let's unwrap this.
A few moments later.
So guys, the plastic wrap around it was very tight actually. So the phone mount has its own cover. Let's remove it. So guys, the first thing I noticed in this phone mount is its cushion padding. It's not the best one, but it has a cushion padding, and it has two screw mounting areas. You can mount it either this way or this way. So guys, now I'll tell you about the GorillaPod itself. So it has many knob kind of things which is flexible. It is attached one behind another. So it is flexible, but it is a bit tight. It can hold your phone great, and it has a trigger kind of thing here, and it has a screw here for your phone mount or your camera to be mounted. So guys, this trigger kind of thing releases the screw out of its mount. Let's put it back. Now let's spread this and make it as a stand. I guess it has a good stability, guys. Yes, it surely has a good stability. So let's attach the phone mount. So guys, now let's attach my phone to this. Let's go out and put him in action. So guys, now you saw I attached my phone to the GorillaPod which was there on my parapet. So you can shoot yourself like this, or you can vlog yourself like this, or like this as well. So in this I squeezed all the arms of the GorillaPod and held it in my hand, and I bent it little bit towards myself so I can vlog myself like this. But one disadvantage I found is that they should have given us a remote, which is a Bluetooth remote. They should have given us for taking selfies like this. So they don't give a Bluetooth remote. That's a disadvantage. Yeah, but there is one advantage in this. Do you remember that trigger button I showed you? So if you get a call while vlogging yourself or taking videos or doing stuff like this, if you get a call like that, you can just press the trigger button like this, and you can just remove your GorillaPod out of there. And if you want, again, you can just press the trigger and put it back like this. But only disadvantage is that the phone mount will be there on the phone itself when you are on call, and if you remove the GorillaPod, but that will be okay, I guess. Guys, I'm sitting on my terrace actually. I got a crazy idea of mounting this GorillaPod on my metal stairs over there. That one. Guys, you can see here the GorillaPod is like an octopus attaching to my steel stairs. I'll attach my phone to that right now. So guys, now you can see my phone is attached to the GorillaPod, which is like literally hugging the stairs. So guys, one thing I noticed is that the phone holder attachment to my phone, so when I attach it normally, it either triggers the volume button or the power button. So I have to adjust it like bit towards the right and attach my phone so that it won't trigger the power button as well as the volume rockers. They mention it as a 13-inch GorillaPod, but I feel like the GorillaPod itself is not 13-inch. With the phone holder, it is 13-inch. So that is a drawback of theirs. Guys, as of now, I have fixed my GorillaPod to my stairs as you saw, and I feel the stability is really good. So I was thinking we can take it out on a run on my cycle, and by fixing it, and we'll see the stability. Okay. So guys, as you saw, I fixed my GorillaPod to my cycle and took it for a run. I feel it's really nice, like because it didn't fall off or like it didn't become loose in any part of my journey. It was really good. So and guys, it's just priced at around 599 rupees, and if you want to buy this, I'll put up a link in the description below, so you can just go and buy it there. So I give a thumbs up for this, but except for packaging. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you're new to this channel, please do subscribe, and until next time, peace out.